Hello, welcome to Den of Knowledge. My name is Boniface Samson. Today we'll be discussing length in mathematics. Length in mathematics for basic 1. What is length? Length is the size or distance of an object. Is the size or distance of an object. What do I mean by that? Length is the size or distance of an object. If this is an object, this is one of the lengths of this object. This is also, we can call this length, length, length. That is the measurement of an object. It's length. And it's measured with a unit called cm or m. cm means centimeter, while m means meter. Length is the size of an object. It can be small, it can be big, it can be tall or short. Length. Now let's move into different sizes of an object. For instance, we have this and this. This is A, this is B. If you look at these two objects, you will notice that A is bigger than B. A is bigger than B. So, in writing, I will say A is longer than B, because in length it can either be long, short. If it is a distance, that's difference between one point and another, we call it far and near. Long, short, tall, short also. So this one is longer than this, while B can be written is smaller than A. It's only in length you can say long, longer, longest, small, smaller, smallest, tall, taller, tallest. It's only in length. You can have another shape like this, a triangle, and another triangle. Looking at this, I have this A, this one to be B. Which one is bigger? Which one has more length than the other? I think B is longer than A, while A is, you can say, smaller or shorter than B. Let's use another object like a ladder. A ladder can be like this. Appear like this. A ladder. You know what ladder is used for? Climbing up. A ladder. We have this. Ladder. And we have our second ladder. Our second ladder. To be like this. This is the second ladder. In this one, I'm not going to use long because we are only looking at the height of this object. So I will use tall and short. If I call this A and this one B, in writing, I'll say A is taller than B. As you can see, A is a big ladder, very tall, while B is tall, but not as tall as A. And this, I'll say B is short, shorter than A. Remember, we use cm to measure length, or m. Cm means centimeter, while m means meter. If we want to measure this, we can use tape or scale ruler to measure it, but I think tape will be more better convenient because scale rule is short compared to this ladder. So we'll use tape, long tape, to measure this and measure this. Together you'll know that this is bigger than this one. A is bigger than B. Now let's move into comparison. You can compare this thing. This is a ball, a cup, another cup, and another cup. I have cup A, cup B, cup C. How am I going to put this? From the drawing, you will see that A is bigger than B. B is bigger than C. C is shorter than all of them. In write-up, we will say that A, we can write it up right. This one, we can call it either using the small form short, shorter, and this one is the shortest of them all. Or you can go the other way around. This to be tall, yes, C is tall, but not as tall as B. So we'll put B is taller. This is called comparison. Comparative form of 8. And this one is the tallest. Well, this with with a look, we can measure this and know their shape, their size, and that's come to the end of our lesson. See you next time on the same day of knowledge.